Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the Xiaomi Mi Watch versus Lemfo Lem9. We did compare the Mi Watch before with the Lem11 and Lem10. Now it's time for Lem9. So as you guys know, if you watch our videos, we compare these two between by showing some specification about both of these devices, and then we test some of the options that they have in software, and in the end we discussed of good things and bad things about these smartwatches. So first let's go with the Xiaomi Mi Watch, and then we'll see the statistic of Lem9 after the Mi Watch. We have now here the Xiaomi. We know that we have a 1.78 inch screen. It's AMOLED screen. We have a Snapdragon processor. It's swimming waterproof. It has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of RAM. We have different sensors, starting with heart rate sensor, as we can see here in the back of the Xiaomi Mi Watch. We have ambient light sensor for adjusting the brightness. We have barometer, geometric, and other sensors that we can use in the future while we are using this smartwatch. Also we have navigation, GPS, different sport modes that we can see, health testing, NFC, and the battery starting from 517 mAh. So that's basically it for the Xiaomi Mi Watch. Now let's go ahead to his competition today, the Cospet Prime. As you can see in the first page of Xiaomi Mi Watch, we have here some beautiful faces. We can change these faces just by pressing it and holding it. As you can see right here, we can put whatever we want. Down we have the menu. As you can see, we have do not disturb, airplane mode, faces, sound, airplane mode, torch, and settings. Up we have notifications. In the left we have different apps and calendar. In the right we have activities, heart rate, and different sports. Here in settings, as you can see, we have display, sound, apps and notification. Down we have gesture, connectivity, accessibility, general, and personalization. As you know, we have two buttons in the side of Xiaomi Mi Watch. As you can see, we have the rotation button that helps us work better in this watch, and we have the power on and off button, also works as a shortcut for sport mode. The rotation button works really good. You can see how it changed the pages. With rotation button we have another shortcut. Just press it. It will open the menu. As you can see, we have all the stuff that we saw until now, but we have all gathered up. We have calls, contacts, messages, burn calories, sports, heart rate, sleep, media app, file manager, calendar, torch, alarm, timer, stopwatch, Mi app, file, settings, weather, and different apps that are all in Chinese. Now let's go ahead and test some of the options that we saw until now. We have here heart rate. Let's test this one first. As you can see, we have now a result here from the Xiaomi Mi Watch, and that was really fast, good enough. Now let's go ahead and try some sports. Press the shortcut button. We have running here first. Press go. 3-second countdown, as you can see, with vibration. And now we have the seconds going, GPS activated. We have the time or the clock here in the right side. As you can see, the heart rate is going down. We have more settings or information about this sport, but they are all in Chinese. As you can see, now we have here the Lem9. As you know, the Lem9 supports 4G smartwatch SIM card. It has a system Android 7.1.1. It has a front camera 5 megapixel, as you can see right in the bottom of the Lem9. Also, we have 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM. It has 1.39 inch AMOLED full rounded screen, dual interfaces, good resolution. We have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, flight mode, GPS, and other stuff included in the software that we will see in a bit. Also supports iOS 11.0 and above, and Android 7.0 and above. We have different health monitoring and different sports. Also, we have a battery starting from 6,000 mAh, and standby. With 4G mode it will last 2 days, and standby mode or bracelet mode will last 5 days. We have also different things included in the software, but for better view, let's go ahead and see what we got. As you can see in the first page, we have this live wallpaper, as we call in the phones we used to call them. We can change it just by pressing it and holding it. As you can see, we have different ones that we already download, or you can go and download more as you want. As you can see, now we have different one. In the left we have notifications. Down we have some sports data. Up we have the taskbar. As you can see, we have time, day, date, percentage of battery, Bluetooth, and SIM card logo. In the right taskbar we have some shortcuts. As you can see, we have brightness, do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. We have here cleaner, music control, and weather in the end. In the right side we have the menu, starting with context, phone, messages, settings, browser, calendar, camera, clock, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, map, operation guide, app store, assistant, YouTube, translator, and long standby. As you can see, we have quite a few options here in the Lem9. So let's go ahead, try some of them on and see what we got more from Lem9. Now we have the Lem9 in our hand. It looks good and it feels good. As you can see, it's a bit thick, but that's okay. It's the Lem9's theme is more sporty look. So now let's go ahead to the menu, see what we have here to test. The first thing is heart rate, as you can see right here. And now it's testing our heart rate. And we have immediately some results. That is really fast from Lemfo Lem9. And you can see the results are saved here with date. Let's go now to the fitness. Outdoor running is the first one. Press go. Immediately it will start the seconds, kilometers, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometer per hour and minutes per kilometer, as you can see right here. And everything is working very good. We don't have any trouble at all. We have here weather and other things that we can see. Also we have YouTube that we can test. So let's go ahead, connect the watch with Wi-Fi and see what we got. So we've found here a non-copyright music, as you can see in the YouTube. We have here the YouTube open. Let's play it and see what we got from the Lem9. We have a good sound. It's not the biggest or the loudest that we heard, but it's okay for a smartwatch like Lem9. So as you can see, we have this squared shape. We can change it right here, make it round, but we lose some parts of the app. So it's better in these rounded screen smartwatches to keep the square display. So this is all that we can test here in the Lem9. So let's go ahead, bring here and talk about the good things and bad things that they have. So guys, this was all for today's video in Xiaomi Mi Watch versus Lemfo Lem9. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next time.